If you don't follow these 10 tips, your phone might overheat and turn off your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, location. Close all your background apps. Lower your screen brightness. Hello, can you see me? Remove heavy cases like these. Don't use heavy cases like these, or else the heat will be trapped inside the heavy case and cause your phone to overheat. Avoid charging while using. Go to settings. Go to battery and turn on battery saver. Don't overcharge your phone and don't keep your phone charged overnight. This might cause your phone to overcharge and explode. Be careful. If all these tips work, come back to this video and subscribe to my channel. If they don't work, factory reset your phone. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. For more content like this, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification.